Welcome to Healthy Living. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start the video. Generally speaking, coughing is perfectly normal. A cough can help to keep your throat clear from phlegm and other irritants. However, sustained coughing can also be symptomatic of a number of conditions, such as an allergy, a viral infection, or a bacterial infection. Sometimes a cough isn't due to anything related to your lungs. Gastroesophageal reflux disease can also cause a cough. You can treat coughs due to colds, allergies, and sinus infections with a number of over-the-counter medicines. Bacterial infections will require antibiotics. Number 6, a chest rub. For children older than 2, massage some Vicks VapoRub on their chest, recommends Wibble. A recent study found that while the medicated rub only lessened coughing slightly, it made coughing, congested kids feel much more comfortable at night. Number 5, give ginger. Ginger is an excellent home remedy for cough as it is known to have antiviral properties. Although lozenges contain ginger, it's best to administer ginger directly. Add honey to counteract the strong taste of ginger. Give 2 tablespoons of the following mixture to get relief from cough. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of crushed or grated ginger with the same quantity of cayenne pepper. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and honey to this and add 2 tablespoons of water to make a syrup. Number 4, encourage them to drink. We all know we're supposed to drink extra fluids when we're sick, but why? Does it really do anything? Yes, says Sears, staying hydrated can thin mucus secretions, which allows them to be expelled from your body more efficiently. Keep a drink by your child's bed at night. Avoid orange juice, though, as it can irritate a throat that's sore from coughing. Number 3, focus on hygiene. Coughing spreads viruses, hence it's important to keep the surroundings clean. The best way to do this is to wash and change the bed linen, handkerchiefs, towels, etc. frequently. Get your child to wash her hands or use a hand sanitizer before eating food. Number 2, turmeric milk. An age-old home remedy for instant relief from sore throat and cough, turmeric milk. Turmeric has antiseptic properties which can effectively treat a viral infection. Just add a teaspoon of turmeric to warm milk and give it to your child every night before bed. Number 1, aloe vera. Amongst many other advantages, aloe vera also helps soothe a cough. Give a teaspoon of aloe vera juice combined with honey and clove powder twice a day to your child for best results. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.